see.
What's good, loyal gang?
We back into this another video. Today we're gonna be eating something special.
Don't be trying to peek. No. We are back with another emoji challenge. Y'all like doing emoji challenges?
Yes, because last time we did emoji challenge and it was like so good.
Yeah, so they've been wanting to do another emoji challenge, y'all. Y'all know we're gonna start coming with more and more of these because they get to try different foods and flavors and all of that. So y'all excited? Y'all a little nervous?
I hope it's not gonna be some beef with some chicken on top, with some rice, some spray on top, with some butterflies, and the butterflies spray their head on them, and then the head pops off, and then voila.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so what it sounds like is you want some crickets on a stick with some sauce on the side.
No. I can't deal with that.
So this is what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be doing 5 different emojis. Are y'all ready? We're gonna go ahead and get straight into it. First emoji. Let's get it.
Okay, let's not
Close your eyes. See, you already peeking. All right, y'all. So the first emoji is some spring rolls. Now, these are my favorite spring rolls, but I don't think y'all ever had them before, and they're really good. So just give them a try. Come on. Get it, bro. Get it, girl. You just gotta take one bite. That's it. Just take a good bite so you can taste it. You gotta taste the inside of it. It's good. What you think, Maya?
It's good.
It's good. It is good, isn't it? What you think, Brill?
Nasty.
You barely bit it. Bite the middle of it so you can taste the middle.
It's alright.
It's alright. It's not all that. Okay.
It
It stank. What? You don't like it at all.
It tastes like a gross monster that had to poop in here and I had to eat it. So I don't want it.
No, it don't.
Yes, it does.
It don't taste like. So you saying mommy be eating poop?
Yeah.
You're so like, yeah.
Eat the thing.
All right, so what y'all rate that? What y'all rate that? 0? Okay, so I'm going to try to give y'all something a little bit better this time, okay?
Yeah, it better not be some boo.
10 out of 9? You mean a 9 out of 10?
Yes.
All right, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
My eyes been closed. Eyes are closed.
So this is going to be something that's random, okay? You nervous?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes?
No.
Okay.
I was just...
We got some chocolate eyeballs. All right, go ahead. Take a bite.
I can't eat it. Ah! I can't eat that.
It's the surprise inside.
I can't eat it.
You can't eat it? How? You just got to bite it. Just like Maya did.
Oh, I can eat it.
What does it taste like?
A real
vanilla
eyeball.
chocolate.
It tastes like what?
A real chocolate.
It tastes like
Vanilla chocolate?
It tastes like a real eyeball.
Oh. Let's see what's inside. Oh. Ooh. Let me see that.
It tastes like a real eyeball. Weird.
This is what's inside. I don't even know if y'all can see it. It's like some little marshmallows and like some sticky stuff. So this is actually a hot chocolate bomb. So you're supposed to put it in hot chocolate and then it's supposed to like melt. You like it, Bria? Okay. About time you like something. That one right there. Picky. What y'all rate that one?
I rate it at 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it must be real good then. What you rate it, Maya?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? Okay. So close your eyes. Next round. Ready for the next one. Okay. Now, it is a little random, okay?
A whole pizza?
Not just any pizza.
I already see it. Maybe broccoli pizza.
Guess what, guys?
It's broccoli pizza. I would eat the broccoli, but not the pizza. Yeah, broccoli, man.
This is not a regular pizza. It is a broccoli pizza, and it has Alfredo sauce on it, okay?
No, I hate Alfredo. Because you used to tell me to eat it. I didn't eat it.
Why don't you like it? It's good.
It's gross.
Can y'all hold it between y'all, and y'all both can bite a piece? How about that? Okay, there we go. Y'all both can bite a piece.
I'm just gonna bite the broccoli.
Bro, you gotta taste it with the pizza. Man, you gotta taste the pizza too. You trying to cheat.
Mom, where you go?
Real, you didn't even taste it with the broccoli.
I don't like broccoli.
Not for me.
not today, broccoli.
Okay, so
I want the broccoli.
I thought this pizza would be good, but when I look at it, it looks not so good. So I'm with y'all. It's probably not too good, is it?
Yes, it's not.
Is it disgusting?
Yeah, that smells
Okay.
like far.
Y'all want to eat this for dinner tonight?
No. We're not eating now. Bye.
All right, y'all ready to go to the next one?
Yes.
Okay.
I hope it's something.
Wow, Bree, you said it so fast.
Please be something sweet because I need something to watch this thing down. I cannot do this. I cannot.
All right, so close your eyes. So the next one is. Don't be peeking. No. The next one is
Open your eyes.
some peaches.
Yeah, it's something sweet, but
Something sweet and it's something healthy.
and mommy and you gave it to me before.
Mm-hmm.
Never tried it.
They're really good. Those are my favorite peaches.
Yes, you got more seeds.
Why you scream like that?
Fuzzy.
Wait, do you still have the broccoli in your mouth? Oh, I was about to say that's gonna be nasty.
I just
What you think? What you think? Let me get y'all a napkin.
Help me, guys. I cannot eat this.
What y'all think?
No, ma'am. Don't eat it.
What's wrong with it? Is it bad? I think they good.
Good.
They good? No, that's fake. You don't like them? What is it? Is it the texture?
Yeah.
So what is it? What's the texture like? It's too soft?
Like those gummy eyeballs.
Gummy eyeballs. Oh, like squishy? What? They are so good.
The freshest one, the freshest wins.
You probably gonna be the first one.
Uh-uh.
Cause Maya can't do it. You throwing in the towel, Maya? You can't do it.
I need something sweet for real.
All right, so this is gonna be the last emoji. What did y'all rate the peaches?
I got to tell that though.
What you rate the peaches?
7 out of 10.
7 out of 10. What you rated, Bria?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Yeah, I'm with Bria. Those are good. All right, close your eyes. Last one. All right. All right. You over there peeking, Bria. Yes. We got some. Y'all ain't even gotta do all that. Oh my goodness. Y'all show them what y'all got. Y'all, they love these chocolate fries. Leah love them too. How many are you eating? Wow, you should have been eating that peach like that. Do they taste like y'all remember? It's been a while since y'all had those. Are they good? Mm-hmm. Yeah, they're not too sweet either. If y'all don't know what these are the Pocky Sticks. We just put them inside the little McDonald's fry thing. Just for the video. If y'all never tried these before, we'll have them linked down below. And they have like different flavors too. They have strawberry.
Blueberry?
No, I think they have vanilla.
And they have poop kind.
I ain't had no poop kind.
Mom, your teeth are brown.
Your teeth brown.
Actually, I need to eat.
The best
Okay. So y'all rather get these type of fries in y'all McDonald's Happy Meal or the regular McDonald's fries?
These.
These?
Yeah.
Wow. Y'all gonna choose these over real fries? Wow.
Mommy, it's just the middle of your job.
Look at mine. Eating 2 at a time. I need one more. Let me get the whole box, actually. Let me get the whole box. Wow, real?
Oh my goodness.
Wow. All right, y'all want to go ahead and close out the video?
No. I need to keep on eating in this video. So people can see me.
Well, guess what I'm going to do, guys?
Those are really good, actually. And they're small, so
I can
you don't feel too bad about eating them. Bria, you got chocolate everywhere. All right, let's go ahead and close the video out because you about to go brush your teeth. Y'all both about to brush your teeth. All right, let's go ahead and close the video out. You look crazy. All right, y'all. We'll see y'all in the next video. Y'all want to say bye?
Bye. Bye.